To utilize the Pay Now or Pay Later feature in the Cash App, start by opening the app and navigating to the Discovery tab, which is represented by a magnifying glass icon. From there, browse for Afterpay merchants, such as popular retailers like Nike, American Eagle, and Ulta Beauty, which have partnered with the Cash App to offer this feature. Once you've found a participating retailer, add items to your cart and proceed to checkout. At this point, you can choose the option to split the total into 4 equal payments. The first payment is completed during checkout, and the remaining 3 payments are automatically deducted every 2 weeks from your linked Cash App account or Cash Card. This feature allows for greater flexibility in managing your payments, and it can be a convenient option for those who want to pay for their purchases over time.